Hi guys! I got the best thing! This is a set of 36 colors of MIJELLO Mission Gold Class Watercolors. There's lots of names. This is gonna be awesome, and it comes with a palette, and I'm in love, and it's for my birthday, which isn't until a couple of weeks from now, but that's okay, because it's here, and we're gonna do a little unboxing, and later we're gonna do swatches, which is the best thing in the world, and yeah. So this comes with its own palette, but I do actually have this other palette, which I started filling up with colors. At Christmas, I got this set of these watercolors from a friend of mine who is also equally awesome. And I had intended to just casually collect a couple of colors at a time and then fill them up. The set underneath this will fill these 3 rows, and I will still have this entire row and like one without colors in them. So I'm actually going to be filling up both palettes, this one so that I've got the extra room to move things around as I get more colors, and the one that's intended for this set as well. Oh goodness, how do I open you? What the heck? Oh, here we go. That is a very large mixing area. Oh, look at my pretty colors. Now, 9 of these, I think. Yeah, 9 of these are gonna be duplicates for me because they came in my other set, but they're so pretty that it just means I'm gonna have extra of that color for later. So I'm not actually gonna open the new tubes of those 9 colors. I'm gonna use the rest from my other set. Hopefully that'll fill both palettes. Just kidding, the other palette has it in there. I don't know what I'm talking about. So it will fill the other, it'll fill this palette. Jesus. Okay, so there's like a little bit of dust in it. That's perplexing. Definitely plastic. What is convenient about this palette that I have, I can just lift this baby up and put you right here and make it super easy to fill. So that's what we're gonna do. Cue watercolor filling time lapse. Okay, the one thing that I will say right now that is very weird to me is that these are packaged in like a pretty color order, like yellows, yellow oranges, oranges, sort of red colors, except that the actual color names have nothing to do with the numbers, if that makes sense. Like this goes from, it's not packaged in number order, it's packaged in color order, which like I'm all about it being pretty, but it's not in order. Like 516, 517, 518, 523, then 522 and 521. Like it, I don't know, in any case. Like, and this one jumps from 513 and 14 to 551, 52, 53, 41, 42, 43. Like, why? I wonder if that's gonna be obnoxious to me in the palette, if that's maybe why they do that. But in any case, I'm really happy that when I made these 2 charts, I put the numbers down numerically so that I would know where to fill these, because this is gonna get a little confusing. Oh, I love that color. Okay, where do you belong on this one? So with this movable palette that I have, all of these little boxes, before this palette came in, because I knew that it was coming, I actually labeled all of these squares with the number and the name of the colors so that if either they fell out or when I want to arrange them, I don't have to guess on the color, because when these dry, like blues, dark greens, you really can't tell the color difference until you wet them. So I went ahead and already did that, which is helpful. And plop you right in here. Hi guys, so voiceover ready here. I did not get all of the footage of me filling those little pans, so that was just like a little preview for you.
I am kind of mad because I'm really good at cameras and things, and I deleted the footage from my camera before it actually transferred all the way to my computer because I'm gold like that. Ah, Mission Gold Watercolors, they're awesome. Okay, so let's focus on that because I'm doing one of my little swatch papers. I made 2 different swatch charts, one in the shape of this palette that actually came with the paints, and one in the shape of the other palette that I was filling. This one, the footage just turned out better in terms of me filling in the chart, but neither one of them is completely complete because I did not film appropriately. This entire like unboxing review thing is just a travesty. I apologize. But the paints are beautiful. They lay down so nicely and so evenly. Unlike any other watercolor that I have had previously, these have such a crazy difference between the color that they go down wet versus what they dry to. And I'm not mad about it at all. It's just that every piece is kind of a learning experience with them. Everything about them is a learning experience. I have never had such good quality paint. It's so hard to play with my old watercolors now since I've been trying these. I do actually have a demo speed paint thing of the first piece illustration thing that I do with these paints. But it was a little bit too long to connect the videos, so that will also be available on my channel. But here's some nice pretty swatches, because who doesn't love swatches? I went around and did a second coat on all of them so that I could see the difference, and this is how they all turned out. They are super duper duper pretty. The thing that I used to write the numbers underneath is a Colorase color pencil, so that also gave me a good idea of how opaque they were over color pencil, because that's what I used primarily to sketch. So on the whole, these are amazing. They're kind of pricey, and I'm going to be really sad when I have to start buying individual tubes to replace them, but honestly, these paints are so worth it. These paints are amazing. I have never ever had such nice watercolors. Thank you to my mother, who's amazing, for buying these for me. And if you're thinking about taking the plunge with these, I definitely recommend getting the smaller set on Amazon for like $25 just to try them out, because they're unbelievable. They're so good. Thanks for watching, guys. Go make something. Go get these. They're awesome. Bye.